ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యా రంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Yes, fifth one, Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Phenol with NaNO2, sodium nitrate in excess of water. In excess of water, it gives a red color solution. Further, this red color solution with base NaOH, it is converted into blue color solution. That means phenol is treated with sodium nitrate in excess water, it gives red color solution. This red color solution upon treatment with NaOH, blue color formation takes place. But in the case of alcohols, in the case of alcohols, here no coloration or no color. That means no reaction. So phenols gives blue color with NaNO2 and followed by NaOH, but alcohols are no color. This is Lieberman's nitroso test. And another one is iodoform test. This is most important one, iodoform test. Iodoform test. Iodoform test. Yes, alcohols on treatment with NaOI or sodium hydroxide plus I2, yellow color PPT formation, yellow color precipitate formation, yellow color PPT. But here phenols on treatment with sodium hypoiodate NaOI, here no yellow PPT, no yellow PPT. Yellow color precipitate formation takes place, that is alcohol, and phenols no PPT. Okay, this is iodoform test. For example, if you take alcohol CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol on treatment with NaOI, it gives CHI3. This is yellow precipitate, yellow PPT formation. It is a iodoform. CHI3 is the iodoform. Okay, alcohols produces yellow PPT, but phenols no coloration, no yellow PPT. So with the help of this color, we can identify the alcohols and phenols. Now in this case, most important one, iodoform test, very important for your exams, competitive exams. Methyl ketones CH3CO, methyl ketone, and alpha haloalkanes, Next, alpha hydroxy compounds, alpha hydroxy compounds, and also alpha amino compounds, alpha amino compounds. Okay, these skeletal structure containing compounds are exhibits positive iodoform test. Okay, all these structural compounds are positive iodoform test. Means all these compounds are given by yellow PPT, yellow color precipitate is obtained, that is CHI3, yellow PPT. Okay, you must remember the students, these are very important reactions. Iodoform test is very important. CH3CO group, methyl ketones, CH3CHX alpha halo, CH3CHOH alpha hydroxy, CH3CHNH2. So alpha hydroxy, alpha amino, alpha halo, methyl ketones. These compounds, the skeletal structural containing compounds always positive iodoform test, means they can produce yellow color PPT, yellow precipitation. Yes, alcohols and phenols. Now especially primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. CH3 CH2OH ethyl alcohol, CH3 CHOH CH3, next CH3 CH3OH. This is 3-degree alcohol, it is a 2-degree alcohol, it is 1-degree alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohols. Okay, among these three compounds, which one is given by positive iodoform test? Yes, positive iodoform test, methyl ketone, alpha halo, alpha hydroxy, alpha amino compounds. Now in this compound, CH3CHOH group is there, this group is present. Next, in this CH3CHO group is present. In this, no group CH3CHOH group is absent. Okay, among these four, no one structure in this molecule is absent. So here any one structure is present like this, that is positive iodoform test. In tertiary alcohol, methyl ketone absent, alpha halo absent, alpha hydroxy absent, alpha amino absent. So therefore it is negative iodoform test, it is given positive iodoform test, it is also positive iodoform test. Okay, so positive iodoform test is given by primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols, negative test for iodoform. Okay, primary, secondary alcohols are gives positive iodoform test, tertiary alcohols negative test. Yes, this is iodoform test. And one important identification test for iodoform. One question is given like this: which of the following compounds gives positive iodoform test? Positive iodoform test. CH3CO CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH3, CH3, CH, NH2, CH2, CH3, C6H5, CO, CH3, C6H5, CHCl, CH3, C6H5, CH2, OH, and CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. Here double bond O like this, and another one is C double bond O, CH3. Here OH group, carbon, CH3, CH3, OH group. Okay, in all these compounds, positive iodoform test. Yes, CH3CO group is present. It is given by positive iodoform test. Alpha hydroxy is present. It is also gives positive iodoform test. Alpha amino group is present. Positive iodoform test. Methyl group is present. Positive iodoform test. Here alpha haloalkane. Positive iodoform test. Here alpha hydroxy. Here alpha hydroxy is not there. Therefore negative test. Here also CH3, CH2, CO group is there. Alpha beta ketone, so negative iodoform test. Here also CH3, CH2, CO group is there. Total this one is negative. Next CH3, CO group is present. This is positive iodoform test. Here it is negative iodoform test. Here also negative iodoform test. So simply iodoform test is identified by using alpha hydroxy compounds and methyl ketones, alpha halo compounds and alpha amino compounds. Okay, this is about iodoform test. Okay, iodoform test. Then go for next one is Lucas test. Yes, and seventh one is Lucas test. Lucas test. Okay, Lucas test. What is Lucas reagent? Anhydrous ZnCl2 and HCl. A reagent is anhydrous ZnCl2 plus HCl. This is Lucas reagent. Now, how to identify alcohols with Lucas reagent? Turbidity or precipitate is formed. Turbidity or precipitate is formed. But here phenols with Lucas reagent, no PPT. This is the identification. Alcohols with Lucas reagent, turbidity formation or white turbidity or white precipitate. Phenols with Lucas reagent, no precipitate, no PPT. Now in this case, here alcohols, especially here alcohols, primary alcohols and secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent on heating or after 30 minutes. On heating after 30 minutes, precipitate is formed. Okay, this is identification test. Once again, tertiary alcohols with Lucas reagent, turbidity is formed within seconds. Secondary alcohols with Lucas reagent, after 5 minutes, precipitate or turbidity is formed. Primary alcohols with Lucas reagent, on heating or after 30 minutes, precipitate is obtained. Okay, this is Lucas test. What is the Lucas reagent? Anhydrous ZnCl2 plus HCl. Right, how to write the reactions for within seconds precipitation formation for tertiary alcohols, secondary alcohols and also primary alcohols. Right, for example, if you take tertiary alcohol, right, example tertiary alcohol, R group, carbon, R alkyl group and OH. This is tertiary alcohol. Okay, now this tertiary alcohol reacts with zinc chloride, ZnCl2. ZnCl2, it is electron deficient compound, Lewis acid, tertiary alcohol, Lewis base. So therefore, this pair of electrons donates to zinc, ZnCl2. Then what happen here? Alkyl group, carbon, alkyl group, oxygen, hydrogen, a loss of one pair of electrons, it gets positive, and ZnCl with negative charge. Okay, here alcohol group is, especially this OH group is bad leaving group. But here in this case, it is the good leaving group with ZnCl2. Bad leaving group, good leaving group. Leave it this one. Yes, OH here this one. Next, here oxygen with positive charge is oxonium ion formation. This oxonium ion is less stable. Then what happen? Here breakage of the bond. It gives tertiary carbocation R plus, tertiary carbocation plus oxygen, hydrogen and ZnCl here negative charge. Now for this HCl is added, hydrogen chloride, H plus Cl minus. H plus is added to the oxygen atom, here oxygen, Now this chlorine is attached to carbocation, tertiary carbocation. It gives R, here R and R, Cl. This is tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. It is a white turbidity or precipitate. Then next here what happened? Hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen and Zn, Cl, Cl. Here loss of electrons, positive charge, and this negative. Now this pair of electrons shifted to oxygen, it gives water H2O plus remaining compound is ZnCl2. Now this ZnCl2 is acts as a catalyst in this reaction. Okay students, tertiary alcohol with zinc chloride, oxonium ion formation. So oxonium ion is less stable, so it produces tertiary carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation reacts with chloride ion, it gives white turbidity or white precipitate is formed, and after that here H plus is attached to the oxygen atom to produce oxonium ion. Immediately dehydration takes place to produce ZnCl2. Initially we are adding zinc chloride and finally regains ZnCl2. That means in this reaction anhydrous ZnCl2 acts as a catalyst. Okay, Lucas catalyst is, Lucas reagent is anhydrous ZnCl2 and HCl. So similarly secondary alcohol produces turbidity after 5 minutes. Primary alcohols after 30 minutes or on strong heating they can produce white turbidity. Okay, once again repeat, tertiary alcohols produces turbidity within fraction of seconds. Secondary alcohols produces turbidity after 5 minutes. Primary alcohols produces turbidity on strong heating after 30 minutes. Okay, this is the identification test for alcohols and phenols. Right. Then go for next one is bromine water test. Bromine water test. Eighth one is bromine water test. Bromine water test. When phenol C6H5OH, when phenol is treated with bromine water or aqueous, bromine aqueous, it gives tribromophenol, OH, bromine and bromine. This is called as 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. It is a white precipitate, white PPT formation plus 3 moles of hydrogen bromide, white color precipitate. But in the case of alcohols, okay, alcohols with bromine water, no white precipitate, okay, no PPT formation, that is alcohol. If it gives white precipitate, that compound is a phenol. Okay, so phenols and alcohols are identified by using bromine water test. Phenol with bromine water, 2,4,6 tribromophenol, it is a white precipitate. If alcohol with bromine water, no precipitate formation. This is 8th distinguished test for phenols and alcohols. And another one is azo dye test. 9th one is azo dye test. Azo dye test. Okay, azo dye test. Phenol on treatment with benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride BDC. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of basic medium pH almost 9 to 10, basic medium, to produce orange red color dye. Formation of orange red dye, that is phenol. Phenol identification test. Okay, chemical reaction. Here phenol C6H5OH. This is phenol C6H5OH on treatment with benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride, BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. It is a phenol in the presence of basic medium. What happened here? Removal of hydrogen and chloride. It gives para-hydroxy azobenzene. Okay, para-hydroxy azobenzene formation. This is a orange red dye, orange red color dye. In the case of alcohols plus benzene diazonium chloride BDC, here no dye formation, no dye, no orange red color dye. So alcohols negative for azo dye test, only phenols are identified by using azo dye test. Okay, how it is possible? When phenol is treated with benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of basic medium to produce orange red color dye phenol without formation of the color dye, that is alcohol. Okay, this is azo dye test for the identification of alcohols and phenols. And one more distinguished test or identification test for alcohols and phenols, that is phthalic test or phthalic anhydride test. Phthalic test or phthalic anhydride test. Right, and 10th one is phthalic anhydride test. Phthalic anhydride test. Alcohols with phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride, alcohols with phthalic anhydride here no color is obtained, alcohols. But phenols treated with phthalic anhydride to give colorless compound. This colorless compound further reacts with NaOH. Pink color solution is obtained. Okay, here alcohols with phthalic anhydride, no color, but phenols on treatment with phthalic anhydride and followed by excess sodium hydroxide, it gives pink color. Yes, phenol reaction. How to write the reaction? Here this is phenol molecule C6H5OH and second mole of phenol OH group. It is reacts with phthalic anhydride. This is phthalic anhydride, double bond O, oxygen, phthalic anhydride. At para position hydrogen, here dehydration takes place in the presence of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. In the presence of sulfuric acid, dehydration takes place. It gives colorless compound. This is colorless compound, OH group, and here double bond OH group. Next here carbon, here benzene ring, double bond. Next here carbon, C double bond O and oxygen, like this. This is the colorless compound. Now this colorless compound is treated with NaOH. Immediately here delocalization takes place, like this. Delocalization takes place and ring cleavage. Due to delocalization, ring cleavage, immediately it gives the pink color complex, pink color compound. It is here double bond and OH group. Next here carbon with here double bond and benzene ring structure, like this. Double bond O. Next here benzene ring, double bond and here C double bond O minus. Okay, this is pink color compound. It is the pink color compound. It is a colorless compound. This colorless compound is called as phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein is a colorless compound which is on treatment with base immediately turns to pale pink color. Okay, this is the identification test for alcohols and phenols. Alcohols, phthalic anhydride, no color. Phenols, phthalic anhydride, H2SO4, colorless compound, followed by base, pink color, pale pink color is obtained. This is the pale pink color compound. It is the colorless compound. This colorless compound is called as phenolphthalein.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.